Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I am starting a Python course from beginners to advanced. In this video, I am gonna tell you why you should learn Python, why Python is so important for our career, what you will learn from this course, and why this course is so important and different from other courses. As you can see from Google Trends, the Python growth is rising with respect to years, and Python is playing a major role in our software companies, and to get job we must know how to code Python. By using Python we can learn data analysis, machine learning language, and deep learning language. We can also learn uh, how to do artificial intelligence and how to make real software applications. As I said, the famous companies like YouTube, Instagram, and Google are using Python. So, what you will learn in this course? If you are a complete beginner, no problem. If you didn't code before, I will be making videos and you know how to code Python. If you know Python but you are not comfortable, you can follow this course, because in this course I will be providing exercises. uh, by doing these exercises you will know, you will check your mentality and clear your doubts. If you know Python very well but you don't know how to make real softwares, you can follow this course and we will be learning how to make desktop applications and GUI applications. Okay, this whole course I divided into chapters. In chapter 0 we will be learning how to download a suitable software for our computer. But the main thing we will be learn in chapter 0 is that we will be learning commands, that how can we uh, name and rename our file, how can we make dictionaries and directories in our computer. This thing we will learn only in chapter 0, and from chapter 1 to chapter 9 we will be learning all the basics of the Python. So in these chapters we will be learning how can we create our GUI application, our desktop application, our new projects, and how can we making software in real world. So as you see, in there are so many people who know Python but they cannot read the code of the experts. So in this course we will be learning how can we transfer our 10 line code into 2 line code. So in this course I will be teaching you everything that you should know. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you very much.